In this video, I'm going to show you how I made 10% gain in one day trading one currency pair. Welcome to For Example. Let's get into it. Okay, so today is the 2nd of January 2024, so officially the first trading day of the year, and we're not wasting any time. We've had enough holiday breaks. We've been able to enjoy, rest, have some respite, reflect, and think about our goals. And now it's time to hit the road with the markets. So, one thing you always have to keep in mind is that the markets are not random. They are very intentional. And if you watched our last video on the secrets of the Forex market, you would have heard me tell you that the Forex market is the most significant money market in the world, more so than crypto, than the stock market, etc., etc. Okay, so it's very, very important that we remember that. So if we look at today's price delivery, we can see that we are clearly range bound. How do we know that we're range bound? Well, price is moving side to side within a particular area, okay, until it breaks out of that area, which is currently doing now, which I'm currently in this trade. So it's moving side to side. Now, that's no surprise to us because we've had a lot of breaks and there hasn't been as much momentum moving in the markets because the institutions have been away and traders have been away from the market as well. So whenever we're range bound, we have to consider where we can swipe the best entry. All right. We're not looking for entries that are going to last the test of time, and we're not looking for the 1 to 100 risk to reward, etc. We're looking to snipe our entries and we're looking for consistency. So here we see some bullish price delivery. All right. So we've seen this kind of movement up here. We pull back, we move up again, we pull back, etc., and we move up. And we know that bullish price delivery is categorized by higher highs and higher lows. All right. So high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, etc. Where can we see that in this current price delivery? So we can see if we zoom in here, we are on the 50-minute chart on GBPUSD. We can see that we've got highs, got a higher low, higher low here. So we've got a low, a high, a higher low, right? And as we have that higher low, we're now stacking price here. So if we zoom in, so this purple box represents our Asian range. So it is the first day of the year. So we've got here, we've got a low. We've got a high, got a higher low, because this low doesn't break this low. Got a higher high, higher low, higher high. And then what is our first indication of potentially moving bearish? Well, this right here. We get a lower low compared to a lower high. So we get a lower low here, and then price moves up to then create a lower high, which is now why we're bullish. But even though we are now moving bullish because of this first indication, where can we potentially catch some moves? So if we look at this price delivery here, we've got a low, we've got a high, got a higher low, higher high. So right here, I'm able to catch my move. This would make the most sense because we're following the trend. Now, again, for those who are in our mentorship, you know that we don't simply look at price as trend delivery. We look at price in a deeper, more detailed way of how the market actually moves. But for the everyday person, for the person who's coming into the markets who may have a background and understanding of how the Forex market works, or is, maybe at that kind of basic or kind of moving towards that basic to intermediate level, that is exactly how you would see this. So you would see a low, a high, and then we get this low. So I take my stop loss here and I get a 5 pip stop loss, and I'm able to I enter this trade at 8 o'clock. And then by 8:15, I am out of the trade. 5% return in 15 minutes. I just want you to think about that for a second. So now following that, we see price begin to slow down and move sideways, by which point we are waiting to see what the market movers do to initiate. And this is personally one of my favorite setups. So I entered into the trade right here. Nope, not that one. So I personally entered into a trade right there. Just make that a different color so you can see. Right. So if we zoom in, my trade execution, my second trade of the session was executed right here. I had a 5 pip stop loss, as you can see. We entered into the trade at 9:30, and then we entered into the trade at 9:15. And then by 9:45, in half an hour, we were out for another 5R. And that is the exact same methodology that I'm using to catch this trade here is the same one I was able to use to catch this trade, which is currently running at, well, soon to be 5R. This trade, which is running at 4.28R. So I just needed to drop down a little more to hit our 5R target. And that's how I'm able to catch these moves in the market. I'm able to follow the trend, but using the deeper analysis and using the more advanced techniques of the market movers, I'm able to now catch multiple moves in one session. All right. So from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., we've done 3 hours of deep work, and we're able to catch what will be 15% in a single day. So I started off this video talking about 10% in a day, and we're ending it with 15% in a day. Hopefully, if this can push a little bit further down.
Yes.
As always, this is the breakdown. This is how I trade the markets. This is how we do at, for example, we are showing everybody that there is ample opportunity in the market to make money, and the Forex market is not dead. So again, as always, if you like this content and you'd like to see more, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know what you'd like to see more of, and we can put that into the works for future content. All right, guys, take care. See you soon. I feel like we should just wait. Yeah, lovely. All right, guys, take care. I will catch you guys in the next one.